Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Simran Pradhan. So first of all, I am really very sorry. थोड़ा ज़्यादा लंबा गैप हो गया, वीडियोस डाल नहीं पाई मैं. बहुत सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट काम एक साथ में आ गए थे, पर्सनल, प्रोफेशनल, फैमिली वर्क. इट वाज अनअवॉइडेबल और वो पोस्टपोन भी नहीं कर पाई मैं. सो या आई एम रियली सॉरी अबाउट दैट. बट फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन एवरी वीक वन वीडियो आएगा. मैंने ऑलरेडी 2 से 3 वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करके रखे हैं और मैं अभी भी रेगुलर रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही हूँ. एडिटिंग भी रेगुलरली चालू रखूँगी. सो येस, आई अश्योर यू दैट. एंड बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए आज की वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. सो टुडे इज़ ऑल अबाउट कंटिन्यूइंग आवर ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो ऑफ कोडिंग. सो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है सीक्वेंस. तो व्हाट इज़ सीक्वेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ कोडिंग. कोडिंग की दुनिया में सीक्वेंस क्या होता है ये हम आज सीखेंगे. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, so I have shared my entire screen with you, and as you can see we have a very interesting Angry Bird game. So if you do not know which game is this, you can watch my past videos. I have explained to you how to play this and how to beat a level and go ahead. Okay, so there are two types of sequence. First is fixed sequence, second is flexible sequence. We are going to understand what exactly it is. First, let's see what is fixed sequence. So as you can see, if we want to beat this level and go ahead, we want to win this level, we have to take this angry bird to the pig, right? How can we solve that? We have to go 3 steps to the south direction. South as in down. So I'm going to take 3 commands and connect it one below the other. So 3 steps of south. Okay. And if I run, see what happened? Okay, so we won this game. Okay, we won this level, but I'm gonna click on the replay button to show it once again. Do you think if there is any other way that we can win this level? I'm gonna reset it and I'm gonna ask you this question. Is there any other way? If we do not go 3 times south, we do not have any other way, right? We have to do it the same way. So when we have this sequence, south, 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 this is the only sequence that we have. So this is fixed. You can't move it. You can't change it. This is one and only method. So this is called as fixed sequence. Now, if I run it or if I go ahead to the next level, let's see what's here. So this is second level. Again, here, if I want to win this level, what will be the sequence? So we can see we have few hints here. South, 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 that means angry bird will go 1, 2, 3 steps down and then 1 step in the direction of west, that means left side. So I'm going to connect one left, that means west command. So the sequence for this level is south, 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 west. And I don't think there is any other way that you can win. You can't take west first and then come towards south. You hit the TNT box, which is the danger box, and you blast yourself, right? So there is no other sequence to solve this. So only sequence we have is 1. So this is a fixed sequence. You can't change it. You see? Okay. Now what is flexible sequence? So I have this game right here on my next tab. Here, the angry bird has to go again to the naughty pig. But what do you think? How can he go? Is there any fixed route that we have to follow? Or what is it? Will the angry bird go upwards first to the north, then go to the right side? Or will he go to the right first and then go towards the north side? Here, we don't have any fixed sequence. We have multiple options. Let me show you. So first, let's go toward north. 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go towards east 4 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's see. Now I'm going to replay this and show you once again. Instead of going up, I can go towards right side first and then go towards north. You see? Now I am showing you once again. There is still another option. There are multiple options to solve this level, as I told you. So starting with east, then going to north, again going to east, again going to north, again going to east, again going to north, and then east again. Okay, so the sequence now is, it's zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. See? So here you don't have one way to solve this level. You have multiple ways of solving this level, right? You can go anywhere on and roam around and then go and beat the naughty pig, right? So there are multiple ways of solving this problem. This is called as flexible sequence because the level is flexible. You can change the method as per your wish. Okay, you can take the angry bird wherever you want, round and round, and then go towards the pig. So this is nothing but flexible sequence. Okay, so I have these activities for you for fixed and flexible. You can go ahead and solve all the levels for the angry bird, and also I have a new game today. So this one is called as harvesting game. Here we have a small girl right here, and she wants to harvest some sweet corns. So we can see we have one corn right here. So what you have to do, you have to take the girl towards left side 2 steps. 1 step and 2 step. So I'm going to take west 2 times, and to harvest the corn is picking the corn. Okay, so you have to pick the corn. So for that we have a separate command, pick corn command. You have to attach this 1 time because there is one corn. Let's see what's happening. So you see the girl picked the corn and now she's happy. You go to the next level. Okay, you can increase the size of play area. Okay, now you can see the girl is here on the top. She wants to come down. So you can count the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take 5 times south command. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now pick the corn. So you need to take pick corn command. Otherwise, she's not going to pick up the corn. See? So this was again a fixed sequence. There is no other way of solving the level. There is no any other option that we can choose, right? There is fixed options. So this is fixed sequence, and flexible is where you have multiple options. Okay. Now, why I am showing you this? This is a normal Angry Bird game which you must have played before as well. Let's understand why sequence is important in coding. So I'm going to go and create and go to Sprite Lab, and I'm going to show you why it is important here. Increasing the size of play area, and now going to world. The sequence here which I showed you for making a small game or making a small story is first setting a background, right? So I'm going to take a normal background. Okay, next I'm going to go to sprite and add a new character. So if you have not seen how to do this, you can check my last video. Okay, I'm gonna take a bee, honeybee, and now I'm going to set the size of honeybee to 150. Now I'm going to give a behavior quickly to the honeybee of wondering. Okay. Now when I'm clicking the run button, the honeybee is wondering because we have given the behavior to it. But here, in this sequence, we have set the background first, then made the character, then set the size of the character after making the character, and then given the behavior, right? What if I will not make a character and then before that I'm setting the size? What is happening? See, the honeybee became small. The size has not been taken. You see, the honeybee is small. And if you connect the make new sprite command before the set size command, then only the computer is understanding that you have to set the size for 150. So what happens here? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? बिना आप कंप्यूटर को बताए कि वहाँ कोई कैरेक्टर हमने बनाया है, तो कंप्यूटर को पता ही नहीं है कि बी करके कोई कैरेक्टर है, और जब कोई कैरेक्टर है ही नहीं तो हम उसका साइज कैसे सेट कर सकते हैं, राइट? So computer is just getting confused here. He doesn't know any character named B, right? And then he knows now when we made a new character, there is someone called as B. We are giving the behavior to the B. So now he only gives the behavior to the B because when he knows the character is made, you only gave a behavior. You did not give a size, right? Now what will happen if I give the behavior before making the sprite? See, before making the sprite, I'm giving the behavior, then I'm making the sprite. See, nothing is happening because when you gave the command of behavior or when you gave the command for setting a size, the computer doesn't know any character like this. He will not do that, right? This is why sequencing is important. When your code is not working, when your story is not working as you made it, you need to check the sequence first. If your sequencing is wrong, your coding will not work, your story or game will not work properly. So this is the sequence that we have, the fixed sequence, called as fixed sequence. Yeah, make new sprite, then set the size, then give the behavior. These both are flexible. You see, you make the size first or you make the behavior first, both are working. So these two commands are flexible, but in terms of making the sprite first and then giving actions is second. Okay, in terms of set background, again this is flexible. Okay, only in sprite lab. Okay, the background command is flexible only in sprite lab. See, it's first, it's last, it's second last, or whether it's third last, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's working fine. So the background command is also again flexible. So now if you're making any story, any game, and if your coding is not working properly, don't forget to check the sequence. So this was it. If you are making any story, if you are making any game, don't forget to share it with me in the comment section. Okay, and all the 3 activity links will be there in the description box, so you can check from there. So that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to actually like it. And if you have any query, write it in the comment section. I'm going to help you out with it. And don't forget to take all the links from the description box. All the activities that we did today are in the description box. So yeah, I'm going to see you again very soon with another interesting video. And till then, take care. Bye bye.